Good morning, one and all present here, students. Today we are going to discuss about the topics populations, samples, and random sampling from our Fundamentals of Data Science and Analytics course CO4. Okay. First of all, we should know what is the importance of statistics, especially in data science. Okay, the process of statistics means it is the collection, analyzing, and interpreting the data into uncover patterns and also make the decisions. Okay. Moreover, the in data science, the statistics act as the backbone for understanding the data and building the reliable models and make a decisions, etc. So two different types of statistics are there. First one is descriptive statistics and another one is inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics means in our lower classes we already use this descriptive statistics for used to summarize and describe the data, like calculating the mean, median, mode, and standard deviations, etc. These are come under the descriptive statistics. In inferential statistics means it is about drawing the conclusion about a population based on the sample. Okay, sometimes it is an important tool acted as to make the predictions and also take conclusions about population based on the sample data. So these types of tools are essential for evaluating the models, testing the assumptions, and supporting the data-driven decision making. This inferential statistics use three different components. First one is population, and second one is sample, and the third one is random sampling. So the population means it is a fundamental concept used to describe the groups of data. For example, all faculty members in a department, all workers in the company. So all is the main keyword for the population. It refers to the entire set of individuals or objects or data points that you want to study. It can be large or small depending upon the scope of our research. Okay. Moreover, the main parameters of population means that is a mean and standard deviation. Means usually we are calculating the mean formula using mu equal to 1 by n summation of x. N is the number of elements in the population. Same like that, standard deviations using the sigma, that is a square root of 1 by n summation of x minus mu the whole square. Moreover, the population categorized into 4 different types. That is finite population, that is based upon the countable number of units in the particular group. Infinite in the sense it is based upon endless. Okay, number of units is endless, so it may be large, it cannot be counted. So these are come under the infinite population. Then existent population means it is a set of concrete, tangible, and countable elements that exist in the reality at a specific time. Hypothetical means the population consisting of the theoretical or potential data points that is used for the modeling or forecasting. Example, some possible future outcomes of a simulations. It may be occur or not. These are the hypothetical values may be set using the populations. Then the second important topic is sample. So what do you mean by sample? It is a subset of populations. Okay, why we are going to choose the sample from the population? That means when your population is large in size or geographically it is dispersed or difficult to calculate some parameters from the population, means we are going to refer the samples. For example, if the population in all students in a school, example could be 50 students randomly chosen from the different classes to participate in a survey. It offers an estimate and it is denoted by n. So samples allows for inference about the population using statistical techniques. Then two different parameters are used to calculate the samples using the mean. Another one is standard deviation, because the samples are a small type of groups of clusters that is chosen from the population. So here the number of elements is denoted as small n. Next, probability data sampling techniques. It is categorized into two different types. First one is probability data sampling techniques, another one is non-probability data sampling techniques. So probability sampling techniques ensures Every data point has a known and non-zero chance of being selected. This helps create an representative sample, allowing reliable generalization to the whole population. In non-probability data samplings, in the sense, it means that the selection happens on a non-random basis. That means they may use some order or some statistical methods to selecting the samples from the populations. So it is not in a random way. Moreover, this diagram represents, so what is population and what is sample. The differentiation between the populations and samples also given here. Then third topic is random sampling. Uh, we will discuss random sampling in next class.